from the center of God's heart in my heart and in my being. I give thanks for the love within me. I give thanks for the feeling of love in my life and the demonstration of love that surrounds me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the miracle of life that I am. Thank you for this perfect body, my health, and my well-being. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the abundance that I am. Thank you for the abundance that I see reflected around me. Thank you for the wealth and the riches of my life. And thank you for the river of wealth that flows to me and through me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the adventure and the excitement of millions of wonderful possibilities and odds. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks for the miracles and thanks for the joy. Thanks for the beauty and harmony. Thank you for the peace and tranquility within me and around me. Thanks for the fun and thanks for the joy. And thank you for the privilege of serving and share the gift that I am. Thanks for living an eternal present fully. Thanks for the vibration being in permanent resonance with the humanity sounds of love. Thank you for freeing my soul to travel an unlimited time. Thank you, thank you,